started recording. Now go back to this. So we will have an approach of first we will go with foundations. Okay, foundation skills for and cross domain knowledge. Okay. So we will go with fundamentals. What are the required? What exactly is required for the DevOps? So you let me know if this font is enough for you. Okay. If it is small, I will increase the font size. So I will make this 16. Okay. So this we will have first basic foundational course, foundational topic. This is like you are getting what is that? Before the dinner table, right? You will set a dinner set. You will not put anything on that. You will not put meals or nothing. You are keeping. You are just what is that? You are decorating it. Before serving the supper, you are decorating the table and you are making sure that everyone will feel comfortable having the dish. Okay, that is what I will be doing it for this module 1 and 14. So these modules will be like, these are the basics. Okay, so once you know these basics, okay, what you should be knowing, then we will start with operations. Okay, either operations or we'll start with coding. This is that development. Okay. These are all the two topics. Okay. Once you are well versed with that, then we will have an actual cloud platform. This is where your main course will come, means main dish. These are the starters like ops and development. Okay. After that, you will have a main course. Okay. During my all course, okay. So I will take 3 examples. Any scenario. Okay. So one will be your home. Okay. Home or house, you can call it. And then second one will be your hotel. Okay. Third one will be hospital. Okay. It's a privilege. So whenever I give an example, I will take the analogy from any of these 3. Okay. So that it will be better for understanding. So anyone can simply understand these concepts. Okay. So now I will be in middle. I will be asking you questions. So you should answer that. If you don't know, you can tell okay, so that I can know that like you are listening to the topic. Okay. And if you are doing multitasking, okay, if you are listening this and then you are doing important things, okay, so then that is fine. Okay, I don't mind it. Okay, but whenever you do practical, so if you miss something, you go and refer to the earlier videos and then come back. Okay, so everything it is correlated here. If you miss one thing, all that will look like a stranger to you. Okay, so it is, everything is correlated here. See, everything whatever I have captured, I have put it here. These are all interlinked to one another. Okay, that is why even if you miss it, then you go and refer it, and I will be giving you exercises. You do it of your own. If you are not able to do it, then that is also no problem. You can use ChatGPT and you can perform it. But after doing that, you ensure what exactly you have done. So it will give you the output. but you should not, after the output you cannot explain it. So it is working now, so you have to explain it, then only you will get that concept. So if you execute it, you got the formula. Let's say in between I will be using this mouse also. So I will be using pen here. Okay. So let's say I will tell you one. Let's say I tell you like, what is this? I tell you A plus B is equals to 2 I have told. So then you calculate 1 plus 1, 2, or else 0 plus 2, or else minus 1 plus 3. So this is all correct. See, ChatGPT or generative AI will give you these answers. Okay. So these answers they will give. Okay, you need to know why this answer is correct. Okay. So let's say if this gives you this answer, then you should be knowing that why this answer is correct. So ChatGPT, you can use it. You can use any generative AI tools to get the formula or to get your knowledge. You can use that, but ensure that you are following the class as well. Okay. I will give the examples, all that, which are very familiar. Now we'll go back to our introduction topic. Okay. I have a problem with my security. When is giving me problem? Hi Ram. So you joined from 2. Okay. Became normal now. Hi Anumant. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So we'll start from first one. You will have the software development life cycle. Okay. So we'll start with this. Okay. I Have you any time worked with software development process? How that will be look like? Okay. How that look like? Have you worked on any time? Have you seen it?
No, sir.
Let me put this here. So anyone join again? Yeah, Hanumant. Hello. Yeah, you speak. You have raised your hand. Hello. Hello. Yeah, Hanumant. Hanumant, you can speak. Everyone is muted. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. See, Hanumant raised a hand. Okay, I'm just asking him what is his query. Okay. Yeah, Hanumant, you can ask question. Okay, you have raised a hand. Okay. So we have a software development life cycle. Okay. So we call this as SDLC. Okay. So first phase, in phase 1, okay. So in phase 1 what we do? So you will capture all the requirement. Okay. So here you will have a requirement here. Let's say you get the requirement. So this is your first is your initialization phase. Okay. Phase 1. Where you will get a order here, okay, and people will start recruiting here. So they will hire it. Positions are open in our company, okay. So these many positions, like 10 people are required, okay. So they will go to customer and they will do the bidding. See, we will give it for this much, okay. Let's say 5 million, 3 million, 10 million, something they will tell that figure. So once the customer agrees it, then they will get the project. If customer is not accepting that, then that project will be rejected. Okay. So this is in initial phase itself, people start recruiting here. Okay. They will do a recruitment, like we got a new project. Okay. So you need to start working. So HR will start recruiting once the project is awarded. So this is initialization phase. Phase 1 will be completely a pre-sales team. Okay. Pre-sales team and sales teams work. So there is no technical things are involved here. This is all completely with related to the business. You are not doing anything. These are all be done by top MBA guys. Okay. have 20 years of experience or have done it in top colleges in the world, not in India. Okay. So these guys will initiate it, and they will have good packages also. Minimum they will have 2 crore package. Even if you are fresher also, they will pay you 2 crore. Okay. Then you have hi Hanuman. Now you have, after that you will be in the requirement gathering and analysis phase, here in the second one. Okay. So I don't want to disturb that image. This will be your phase 2. In phase 2, you will have requirement analysis. Requirement and analysis, planning, everything will be done. What needs to be done, everything it will be captured here. Okay. So here you will define who will do what. Who, what, and how. Okay. All it will be done here. So you will define what is the scope, what will be your scope of the work. Okay. Then you will assess the feasibility, whether this is possible or not. Let's say you want to build a bridge between this mountain and the other mountain. So you want to build a bridge. So you will check whether, after you seeing the plan, you will tell, okay, this is not feasible. So this will not work. Whatever you are trying to do, it is not possible. So you will just cancel that. Okay. They will check what is the feasibility. Then you will create a roadmap. Okay. After that, you will have a roadmap how it should go. Okay. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5. Let's say you are constructing a house. Okay. Then you will tell all the plan. Okay, this we will have a house. Then we will do basement. After 2 years, we will construct it. Once we do the construction, after 2-3 years, we will construct first and second floor. Okay. So we will put a roadmap for that. Okay. So once you have the roadmap, then you will start doing here one by one. Okay. Now you will do this. Let's say, so this you have started the work. Then you will do. Okay. You will divide this in subtask. Okay. So one work you will divide into subtask, and you will start dividing across other people also. Okay. So now this is your development gathering phase. This is your gathering phase. So after gathering, okay, you will have a design now. Okay. So this will be done by, okay, so this will be done by project manager. So let me zoom it. View. So this will be done by project manager. Okay. Then functional requirement and technical requirement. Functional requirement is, let's say you are building a hotel. Okay. So you want to know what is required, how many exits are required. So where the kitchen should be, okay? Do you need any water storage, or do you need any kitchen storage? All that you will give this requirement. Then the technical requirement is, okay, what are the equipments that you are using. So are you using gas or using electricity or using any other means to cook? So technical requirements will come. Okay. Then it will go for an approval. Let's say you got the project from customer. Let's say the customer is some bank, Indian bank. So he gave you some budget. Okay. Let's say 1 crore budget. So now, your plan, everything, it went to 50 lakhs. Okay. Then you went for approval. So the top management says, see, this is not feasible. With 50 lakhs we cannot do. Okay. You ensure that there should be 30 lakhs only. After that only we can give them the project, because 50 lakhs will be the low margin. So you need to have at least minimum 70%. That is their business, how they want to do it. Okay. So this is their requirement and approval phase. Okay. So somebody will tell, okay, Wipro is doing it for, let's say, Wipro is doing for 1 million. Okay. So then HCL will come, okay, and they will tell, okay, we will do for 500,000. Then Infosys will come and they will do for 25,000, 2,50,000. So there will be a bidding inside that for customer. Based on that customer quotation and their plan, they will see both this. They will see the financial aspect and they will see the technical aspect also, how you are going to do that. So both they will check. After that they will get that project. Okay. So once you get the project, then you will have SOW. We call this as statement of work. So exactly what you need to do it. Okay. So now you will get, okay, SOW. I will change this. You will have SOW. Statement of work. So this is where you will be defined what exactly you are going to do in the project. So this will be your scope of work. So then once this is done, okay, statement of work, okay, after that technical guys will come. So these guys, phase 1 and phase 2, these are the business guys, they will go now. Our job is done, tata bye bye. All these guys who are sitting with suit and boot, they will go from phase 1 and phase 2, they will hand over to the technical team. The purple team from here, they will take that project and they will start working on it. These are the top technical guys. So you will have internal and external. Okay. Let's say you have you are designing a hotel. Okay. Let's say you have a big hotel. Your hotel is having, okay, Italian model, let's say Italian kitchen, and then Chinese and Indian. So you are expert in only both, okay. So you need to again involve one more guy who can do this Italian kitchen model, everything. So you don't have this capability inside your company. Let's say you are a Wipro guy. So you don't have this talent inside. You are internal here. Now this is external. So you need to get these equipment or technology from outside. So this is what you will have a design, okay, internal or is it external. So after that design, you will again review that design. So you will design it, you will review it, okay, once you have done the design, okay, let's say this is a design model. So they will review the design whether this is good or they have to change that, whether it is good or right or wrong. So they will review it. Once the review is done, so then the project will go for the development. Okay. So then you will start this project. Okay. You will start working on the project now. Okay. This is all still in the design phase. You are not yet come into the picture now. Okay. So they will give the detailed project document, okay, development project. Okay. Then you will construct here. So now from this phase 4, we will be coming, okay, with this house you are constructing now. So the design is done, house design, everything you have done it. Now you are constructing the house. Okay. So from the house example we can take, okay, you are constructing the house. The hotel example means you are starting to build the hotel now. You are laying the foundations. So now then this is the prototype, means you are doing some sample. So you will do it. Now everything will be reviewed now. Whatever you are constructing, once the construction is done, so you are constructing now piece by piece. Let's say you are doing it. So one task, okay, you have done it in multiple iterations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have split that into 8 and then you are doing that. So once this is completed, okay, after that it will be doing, you will be doing this testing phase. So once you have constructed the house, you will test the durability of that, how that house is constructed. Once you do the testing, everything, okay, then you will release that product to the operations. Okay. So you will you have taken the house contract, okay. So you constructed everything, you tested it, then you have given this to the customer or to the contractor. Now you see it. Once you do acceptance, then they will release the money here. So once this is accepted, then only money will go here, or else money will not come. That is how your product will be released in a software development life cycle. Okay. So here, let's say you are done the project. Okay. After 2 years, you will come back again and you will tell, I need some enhancement. So I need one more floor. Can you please construct that? So then they will tell, okay, we will do it. You just change the scope here now. So if your requirement is new, you change the scope of the document. So instead of earlier you gave only 2 floors, now you want one more floor, 2 plus 1. You change it, then we will come back again. The same will flow. Okay. This we will call it as control log. Okay. Change control log. This is all theoretical part. Okay. So you will get bored for 1 or 2 days. Okay. What is all this DevOps, we tell all technical things, but this is theoretical part. So in 1 or 2 days only you will get bored with this topic. So this is all theoretical part, but you should know this development cycle. Okay. Because you will be developing based on this all requirement only. Okay. So you will be either doing it here Okay, your job may be here or it will fall here. Either one or two you will be doing it. Okay. So this is for mainly for experience from 1 to 5 years experience. Okay. So this will be for more than 8 to 10 years experience. They will be on the design part. So that is how your all these phases will work. Okay. So this is my notepad. We will go with the visuals also, diagrams also we will go. So I will open up that one also. We will see how that look like. Okay. So I want you to know whether you have personal laptops with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the configuration? At least I need 4 to 8 GB RAM.
Yes, it has 8 GB RAM.
Good. How about you, Ram? Do you have your personal laptop or computer? How you will do it? Ram, Hanumant is not at all speaking. I don't see he's having any issues, I think. So let this get loaded. Okay, it will take some time. 2-3 minutes it will take. We'll check in the chat. So we will go ahead with all these icons here. So we will, I will explain you with the graphical pictures also like this. Okay. Let's say if you want to have one server, let's say, so there is one server. I will put it. Okay, this is a server. Okay. So now users want to connect. Then I will put okay user here. He wanted to connect. So you wanted to connect. So that is how I will be explaining you. Okay. Let's say you have one device. Okay. IoT device. You have mobile device or a smart watch. You have a smart watch. This is your smart watch. So now you want to connect it. Okay. So you will do it. Okay. From here, you will connect. This data, let's say this data is going to server back. From server, let's say this is just an example. Okay, how your pictorial presentation will be. See, first chapter it will be completely theoretical part, and it will be boring, and you will not find it very interesting. But that will be must and should. So this is your developer tools. Okay, let me take one cloud. Take one cloud. to connect to the cloud. Okay. Now this server is going with the cloud. It is putting the data on the cloud. Then this is giving you the bot signals connected to robot. So I am just explaining you how the practical or the theoretical explanation will be. I will be using the MS Visio to explain you the graphical picturization, so that it will be better for understanding. So I am using it for the other class. Okay, this is my other class where I am using this. How it will be done like that. This is all. So this is a running class. I have been doing it. So for you also, we'll start up with a fresh. Okay. So 1 or 2 days we will have theory, then we will do a practical. Okay. So from tomorrow, so you want you should have your laptop and you share it. I will tell you to download few softwares. I will send that in chat. You make sure that you download that and keep it ready. From tomorrow we will start it a few lab, okay, exercise, and then we'll come back here for theory, then we'll go back to practical. So we will do on and off, okay, so that you won't feel bored the first chapter. Only first chapter will be mostly theoretical part. Then we will go ahead with the next all are the practical one. So remaining everything will be practical. Only the first part will be the theoretical part. Okay. So any questions?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
How about you, Ram? Nobody is speaking except Abhishek. Yeah, Ram or Hanuman? Okay, that's it for today. Okay, tomorrow we'll start it. We will resume this from this wherever we have stopped it. Let me open up this. I will share you this document. Okay, you can. If you go through this document, you get confused. Okay, so you only see whatever I explain it. Okay? If you read it and if you try to understand, you will get confused. So once I tell you, okay, now you can go ahead and do it, and then you will be able to understand that. Or else you won't. You will find very difficult to understand this content. Okay. Anyways, I will be sharing this content, okay, with you. So you go ahead with this, okay. You will come to know what are all the differences that you have here. All are picturization, okay. So we will cover this tomorrow, okay. Then we will have a practical class also tomorrow. So at the end or beginning, we will do a practical session. Then we'll start this theoretical part. Once the theoretical part is done, we will go ahead with the common and mandatory concepts. Okay. Then we'll see you tomorrow then at the same time. Okay. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.